India's #1 SUV, the Mahindra Bolero, makes your every drive a breeze, be it a road trip or your daily commute in the city.
Careful, your handbrake is engaged.
Your SUV talks you through its voice messaging system. At times, when you forget to disengage the handbrake or don't shut the door properly, the voice messaging system in the Bolero takes care of all you need to know while on the road. Voice messaging system alerts you on seat belt not strapped, handbrake not disengaged, fuel reaching the reserve level, low brake fluid, high rising temperature, low oil pressure, water in fuel filter. There is no reason to be worked up when the fuel reaches the reserve level. Usually drivers start calculating how much distance they can cover before the fuel runs out. With the driver info system, you don't have to do the math. The distance to empty feature shows the balance kilometers that can be covered before the fuel runs out. Your Bolero's engine immobilizer technology will reject any duplicate key used to start your Bolero. It has an encrypted key recognition system that prevents theft. So don't fret and get ready to take on anything with your Mahindra Bolero. So what normally happens is that at a red light, we tend to waste a lot of fuel. So what the micro hybrid system does is that it allows us to save that fuel. It also increases the fuel efficiency. Push the micro hybrid switch to engage the functionality. Switch to neutral and release the clutch pedal. The car goes off. There we go. Now we're saving fuel. Not only are we saving fuel, but we are also protecting the environment. Now the light comes on green. All I got to do is clutch down and good to go. How to use micro hybrid? Activate the micro hybrid switch. Switch to neutral. Release the clutch pedal. Engine stops after 2 seconds. To restart, press the clutch. Engine starts. Cluster indication goes off. Start to drive. I think I have a flat tire. Oh well. At least once in your driving lifetime, you will be faced with a flat tire. But don't worry, it's not rocket science. To begin with, find a safe and flat place to change the tire. Park away from the road. Once you've parked, put on the hazard lights, apply the parking brake. Take the spare tire out along with the jack. Place the jack under the frame near the deflated tire. Make sure the jack is in contact with the metal portion of the Bolero's frame. Raise the jack until it supports the Bolero. Ensure that the jack is perpendicular to the ground. Loosen the nuts by turning them counterclockwise. Don't take them off just yet. Pump the jack to lift the tire off the ground. Then remove the nuts completely to take off the flat tire. Now place the spare tire on the hub and tighten the nuts. Lower the Bolero without applying full weight on the tire. Tighten the nuts, then lower the Bolero to ground level and remove the jack. Don't forget to take your old tire back and take it to the mechanic.